Hello there. Welcome to our health and nutrition channel. Today's journey takes us into the world of sugar, its many types, its sweet allure, and its potential pitfalls. We're also going to delve into alternative sweeteners, their pros and cons, and the ways in which you can balance your sugar intake, even if you're always on the go. So, buckle up, perhaps with a sugar-free drink in hand, and let's get started. First off, let's talk about why we love sugar. There are different types, each with unique benefits. Table sugar or sucrose is the one we're most familiar with. Fructose, found naturally in fruits and honey. It is often used as a sweetener in processed foods, but it also has important health benefits. One of the key benefits of fructose is its ability to help your body absorb essential nutrients like magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral that plays a role in many bodily functions, including nerve and muscle function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. Fructose helps your body absorb magnesium by increasing the activity of certain enzymes in your gut that are involved in magnesium absorption. This means that when you eat foods that contain both fructose and magnesium, your body is better able to absorb and use the magnesium, which can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. So, next time you enjoy a sweet piece of fruit or a drizzle of honey on your toast, remember that you are not only satisfying your sweet tooth but also giving your body a boost of essential nutrients. Glucose, another form of sugar, is what our body really loves. Glucose is a simple sugar that is easily absorbed by our body's cells and converted into energy. It is the preferred source of fuel for our brain, muscles, and other organs. When we consume sugar, it is broken down into glucose and released into our bloodstream, providing us with a quick energy boost. This is why you might feel a burst of energy after eating something sweet. Sugar also brings out the best in our meals, making them flavorful and more enjoyable. In addition, sugar plays a crucial role in the fermentation process, giving us wonderful foods like bread, yogurt, and even kombucha. But it's not all sweet when it comes to sugar. The empty calories from sugar provide energy but little nutritional value. These can accumulate over time, leading to weight gain and obesity. Another downside is dental issues. Sugar provides a tasty meal for bacteria in your mouth, which return the favor by producing acids that lead to tooth decay and gum diseases. And the bitter pill to swallow is that excess sugar consumption can lead to a host of health problems, including insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and heart disease. Plus, the addictive nature of sugar means that over time, you might find yourself needing more to feel the same level of satisfaction, leading to a vicious cycle of overconsumption. Now, what about the alternatives to sugar? There are several options like Stevia, Xylitol, and artificial sweeteners like Aspartame and Sucralose. These can be a good choice for those looking to cut down on sugar, but they're not without their drawbacks. While they may be calorie-free or low-calorie, artificial sweeteners could increase your craving for sweet foods. Some research even suggests they might contribute to weight gain. They can also cause digestive issues, headaches, and other side effects in some people. Natural alternatives like Stevia and Xylitol are generally better choices, but they're not completely free of side effects either. For instance, consuming large amounts of xylitol can lead to digestive discomfort. So, how can we strike a balance? First off, become a master of decoding food labels. Look out for different names for sugar, including sucrose, fructose, dextrose, or high fructose corn syrup. And remember that low-fat doesn't always mean healthy. Some low-fat foods compensate by adding extra sugar. If you lead a busy lifestyle, consider meal prepping on weekends or using meal kit delivery services that offer low-sugar options. This saves you time during the week while keeping your meals healthy and balanced. As for drinks, beware of the hidden sugars. Soft drinks, fruit juices, and even some coffees and teas can be loaded with sugar. Consider swapping them for water, herbal teas, or black coffee. You can also experiment with adding slices of fruit or cucumber to your water for a refreshing natural sweetness. Choose whole foods over processed ones as much as possible. Fresh fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains not only provide essential nutrients but are also naturally low in sugar. When shopping, keep to the perimeter of the store. This is where the fresh produce, dairy, and meat are usually located, keeping you away from the sugar-laden processed foods in the central aisles. When cravings strike, go for healthier alternatives like a piece of fruit, a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, or a square of dark chocolate. These options can satisfy your sweet tooth while providing beneficial nutrients. Speaking of shopping, knowing where and how to shop can be a game changer. Opt for stores or markets known for offering healthier choices. When buying packaged foods, look for options with minimal added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Keep a stock of healthy, portable snacks like trail mix, whole fruits, and baby carrots for when hunger strikes during a busy day. This will help you avoid the vending machine or convenience store where sugary temptations lie. For our busy friends out there, here are some time-saving tips. When eating out, choose restaurants with healthier offerings and don't be afraid to ask for modifications to your meals, like dressings on the side or less sugar in your beverages. Also, consider using grocery delivery services or curbside pickup to save time. Many of these services have features that allow you to filter and search for low-sugar options. And finally, how about starting a meal prep club with friends or colleagues? This way, you can take turns preparing healthy, low-sugar meals, making it a social activity that's good for your waistline too. Remember, it's all about balance. Sugar isn't the enemy, but it's crucial to consume it in moderation. It's important to note that the daily recommended intake of sugar includes both added sugars and naturally occurring sugars in foods like fruits and dairy products. The World Health Organization recommends that added sugars make up no more than 10% of your daily caloric intake, with an ideal goal of 5%. For an average adult consuming 2,000 calories per day, this translates to a maximum of 50 grams or 12 teaspoons of added sugar per day. The American Heart Association recommends no more than 6 teaspoons of added sugar per day for women and 9 teaspoons for men. It's essential to be mindful of your sugar intake and make conscious choices to reduce your consumption to support your overall health and well-being. Let's find that sweet spot, where we can savor the flavors of sugar without compromising our health. Thank you for tuning in to our channel. Stay tuned for more health and nutrition tips. And until next time, stay healthy and keep shining.